and welcome to my channel. I am Arush. I hope you will be fine. In this video we learn colors and 4 shapes. So let's start video. Blue color, green color, black color, red color, and last color is yellow. First shape is triangle, second shape is square, third shape is rectangle, fourth shape is circle. I am a triangle. I am pointy little shape and I have 3 sides. Triangle. I am scared. I have 4 sides. Scared. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. Rectangle. I am a circle. And last shape I go round and round. I have only one side. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Yellow color. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.